Are you curious about the world of hacking? Do you want to learn hacking in 2024, but don't want to spend a fortune on expensive courses or tools? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you the best websites and ways to learn hacking for free in 2024. Whether you're a beginner or have some knowledge already, these resources will help you sharpen your hacking skills and stay ahead of the game. So, grab your virtual notepad and get ready to dive into the fascinating world of hacking without breaking the bank. First and foremost, let's dive into some essential tips to kickstart your journey into the world of hacking in 2024. The cornerstone of your hacking arsenal begins with installing Linux on your PC. For beginners, consider using it with a virtual machine. If you're unsure about this, drop a comment and I might create a video guide. Nevertheless, taking the initiative to do it yourself is often more rewarding. Explore Linux, try out simple commands, and get acquainted with tools. I've already uploaded a video on Kali Linux commands. Check it out in the description when you're done here. Experiment with basic Linux commands and tools like nmap, metasploit, wifi2, hping3, and more. It may seem challenging initially, but trust me, you'll soon realize you're making progress. Just embrace the learning curve and understand Kali Linux. Now, let's elevate our hacking game. Once you've familiarized yourself with Linux, it's time to delve into the vast knowledge available in hacking books. There's a plethora of amazing resources out there. Remember, our mission is to become hackers without breaking the bank, so opt for free PDF versions online. Wondering how to find these free PDFs? It's simple. Embrace the hacker mindset, hunt them down online. If you face any challenges, DM me on Twitter. I've got your back with that free book. Read, absorb, and most importantly, translate theory into practice. Don't just be a reader, be a practitioner in real-life scenarios. But hey, no hacking me, please. Now, we're cruising down the path to becoming a hacker. While I don't officially endorse unethical hacking, to truly understand the craft, consider ethical practices. Challenge yourself by hacking friends, family, or leverage platforms like Hack the Box for practical application. As Cristiano Ronaldo said, practice makes you perfect.
Practice makes perfect.
Messi fans, take it easy. We'll explore Messi quotes in a future video. And here's the golden rule: never, ever give up. Hacking isn't a walk in the park, it's a challenging journey. But remember, hacking is not just difficult, it's also incredibly fun. Keep practicing, stay persistent, and never give up. Now, let's dive into the best free websites to learn hacking in 2024. Our first website is Hackme. Everybody in the hacking community knows about Hackme, and if, for some reason, you haven't explored it yet, trust me, you're in for a treat. If you're new to the game or a seasoned hacker, I wholeheartedly recommend checking out Hackme, and when you do, you're going to thank me. This platform takes a hands-on approach to learning, providing a virtual playground for enthusiasts to dive deep into real-world scenarios. Let me break down why Hackme is not just another platform, but a game-changer in the realm of hacking education. Firstly, it's all about interactive learning. What makes Hackme stand out is its interactive and gamified approach. Say goodbye to dry theory here, you're thrust into practical, immersive environments. It's a hands-on experience, a journey of learning by doing. Trust me, there's nothing quite like the thrill of applying your skills in real-time scenarios. Now, let's talk about the diverse skill paths on Hackme. Whether you're just dipping your toes into hacking or you're a seasoned pro, Hackme caters to all skill levels. The platform offers varied learning paths, allowing you to choose what aligns with your interests. It's not a one-size-fits-all deal, it's about tailoring your learning journey to challenge yourself progressively. But what truly sets Hackme apart is its knack for replicating real-world scenarios. We're not talking hypothetical situations here. We're talking about network penetration testing, malware analysis, you name it. The platform excels in creating situations that mirror actual cybersecurity challenges. This isn't just about learning. It's about honing skills that directly apply to the dynamic landscape of cybersecurity. Alright, so let's talk about getting started on Hackme. It's a straightforward process, and trust me, you'll be up and running in no time. First things first, sign up and explore. Head over to the Hackme website, create your account, and get ready to dive into a world of hacking challenges. The sheer variety of rooms and challenges available is mind-blowing. Now, let's talk learning paths. Once you're in, navigate through their structured learning paths. These paths cover a spectrum of topics, giving you a comprehensive understanding of ethical hacking. It's like having a roadmap to guide you through the exciting world of cybersecurity. Next up, capture the flag challenges, or CTFS, as we like to call them. Engage in these challenges to put your skills to the test in a competitive environment. It's not just learning, it's a thrilling way to apply what you've learned in a real-world setting. Trust me, the satisfaction of solving a CTF challenge is unmatched. Last but not least, community interaction. Connect with like-minded individuals within the Hackme community. Discuss challenges, seek guidance, and share your experiences. It's more than just a platform. It's a community of hackers helping each other grow. So, sign up, explore, follow the learning paths, conquer CTF challenges, and become an active part of the Hackme community. It's an adventure waiting to unfold, and trust me, you won't be disappointed. Our second website is PortSwigger, a powerhouse in bug bounty circles. If you're not familiar, bug bounty programs are where ethical hackers hunt for vulnerabilities in systems. Why is PortSwigger a bug bounty legend? Their tool, Burp Suite, is the Swiss Army knife for hunters. From common flaws to intricate security issues, it's the go-to for bounty seekers. What makes PortSwigger stand out is its commitment to interactive learning. Say goodbye to passive learning. Here, you're diving hands first into practical, real-world scenarios. It's not just about theory. It's about rolling up your sleeves and getting your hands dirty. Now, let's talk about Burp Suite. PortSwigger is the genius behind this industry-leading web application testing tool. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced security professional, mastering Burp Suite is like having a superpower in your cybersecurity toolkit. PortSwigger provides extensive resources and tutorials to make you a Burp Suite ninja. Alright, let's talk about getting started with PortSwigger. If you're ready to dive into the world of web application security, here's your roadmap. First up, download Burp Suite. Head over to the PortSwigger website, and right there, you can grab your copy of Burp Suite. This is where the adventure begins, and trust me, it's a journey you won't want to miss. Now, let's talk about the Web Security Academy. Think of it as your personal mentor in the realm of web application security. Dive into the Academy for interactive lessons that guide you through the intricacies of securing web applications. It's not just theory, it's hands-on learning at its best. And here's a golden rule: stay updated. Follow PortSwigger's blog and research updates to stay in the loop with the latest trends and vulnerabilities. In the ever-evolving landscape of cybersecurity, being in the know is your best defense. So, there you have it. Download Burp Suite, explore the Web Security Academy, and stay updated with PortSwigger's insights. Your journey into the world of web application security starts right here. Third website is CBRR. What sets CBRR apart is its commitment to comprehensive learning. Forget one-size-fits-all approaches. Here, you can tailor your learning experience to your specific needs. From beginner to expert, CBRR has you covered. CBRR goes beyond theoretical knowledge. The courses are designed with real-world relevance, providing insights and skills that are directly applicable in the dynamic field of cybersecurity. Another standout feature: the instructors. CBRR collaborates with industry experts, ensuring you're learning from professionals with hands-on experience. It's like having a mentor guiding you through the intricacies of cybersecurity. The highlight awaits. Register for free. Yes, you heard it right. Access the treasure trove of knowledge without spending a dime, and let me tell you, it's absolutely worthwhile. The fourth gem in our list might seem like an unexpected one, but believe it or not, it's YouTube. Now, I know what you might be thinking: YouTube. Is it really a reliable platform for hacking courses? The answer is a resounding yes. Don't let the unconventional nature fool you. YouTube is home to a plethora of exceptional hacking courses and tutorials that can truly elevate your skills. Venture into the vast realm of YouTube, and you'll discover a treasure trove of knowledge. From beginner-friendly tutorials to advanced penetration testing courses, YouTube caters to all skill levels. Many seasoned cybersecurity experts and ethical hackers share their insights, tips, and tricks on YouTube, making it an invaluable resource for anyone on the hacking learning journey. But here's the catch: the key is to sift through the content wisely. Look for channels with reputable instructors, positive feedback, and engaging, well-structured content. Some channels even offer comprehensive playlists, guiding you through a structured curriculum. So don't underestimate the power of YouTube in your quest to master hacking. Take the plunge, explore the channels, and uncover a world of hacking knowledge waiting for you. It might not be the traditional classroom setting, but the lessons learned can be just as impactful. Our final destination in this exploration is SecurityTube. Now, I'll be honest, this website might not be the freshest kid on the block. As you can observe, most of the videos were uploaded between 3 to 10 years ago. But here's the intriguing part: sometimes, delving into the archives is like discovering a hidden treasure. SecurityTube may not boast the latest uploads, but don't let that deter you. The content archived here holds timeless value. In the ever-evolving landscape of cybersecurity, understanding the roots and foundational concepts is crucial. Consider SecurityTube as a digital museum of cybersecurity knowledge. You might not find the latest exploits or cutting-edge technologies, but what you will discover are fundamental principles, tried and tested methodologies, and a wealth of wisdom from the pioneers of the field. So, before you dismiss it due to its vintage appearance, give SecurityTube a chance. Sometimes, learning from the classics can provide a solid foundation that stands the test of time. Dive in, explore the older videos, and uncover the timeless insights that continue to shape the world of cybersecurity. It's like taking a journey back in time to understand where it all began. Thanks for tuning in. So, hit that subscribe button to stay in the loop. You won't want to miss what's coming. And hey, if you're hungry for more hacking insights or looking to take your skills to the next level, check out our video on Dangerous Hacking Gadgets in 2024. It's a deep dive into cutting-edge tools that are making waves in the hacking scene. Get ready for an eye-opening experience and stay ahead of the curve. Until next time, happy hacking!